hope friends subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your chemistry class, and that is your class 4, which is the unit which we have to start as your unit 10, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. That is very important one. And before, in the last classes, we had done about the structures, the common name and the IUPAC name as well. And today we'll discuss first of all the nature of carbon and halogen bond. But before that, we will first discuss about the questions, and then after that we'll discuss the further things. So let's go for it without wasting a time. It's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. And on the same way, let's go for it. The first question of this unit that we have to discuss today, the question is, draw the structures of all the 8 structural isomers that have the molecular formula C6H11Br. Name the isomers according to the IUPAC name and classify them as a primary, secondary or tertiary bromide. So let's go for it. We will do that. So here we go. Question number 1 for this unit, and the question is being as follows. So let's go for it. Draw the structure of all 8 structural isomers that have the molecular formula C5H11Br. Name each isomer according to IUPAC system, and classify them as primary, secondary or tertiary bromide. So let's go for the solution here, that we have as follows. The first we will have CH3, CH2, 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 CH, Br, and then that is 1 bromo pentane, and this is primary. The second is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, Br, CH3. This is 2 bromo pentane. This is secondary. Now we have CH3, 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 CH2, CH, Br, CH2, CH3. It is 3 bromo pentane. That is secondary. Now CH3, okay, CH3, twice CH, CH2, CH2 Br. This is 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, and this is your first degree, that is primary. Now we have another one, that is your CH3 twice CH, CH Br, CH3. This is 2 bromo 3 methyl butane. This is secondary. Now we have another one, CH3 twice CBr, CH2 CH3. This is 2 bromo 2 methyl butane, that is tertiary. Then we have CH3 2 CBr, CH2 CH3, which is 2 bromo 1 bromo, no, CH3 twice CBr, CH2 CH3. Okay, I repeated. So CH3 CH3, sorry for the inconvenience, CH3 CH2 CH, CH3 CH2 Br, that is your 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. This is 1 degree. Now we have another one, which is CH3 thrice CH2 Br. This is 1 bromo, so that is 1 bromo 2 dimethyl propane, which is 1 degree. Now we go for another, that is the second question, which is also been important here, and that the question is write IUPAC name of the following. Before that इन्होंने बोला था C5H11 and Br, तो 1 2 3 4 5, ये 5 कार्बन हो गए, हाइड्रोजन 11 थे तो 3 2 5 6 7 8 9 10, 3 2 5 6 7 so that is 10 11 here, that ये आपका प्राइमरी हो गया। ऐसे ही देखो सब में कार्बन आपके जो है, जो इन्होंने दिए हैं हमने उसी के हिसाब से यूज़ किया है। पोजीशंस चेंज किए, पहले ये प्राइमरी पोजीशन पे थे, देन ये सेकेंडरी पे पहुंच गए, फिर ये थर्ड टर्शरी पे पहुंच गए, सेकेंडरी पे भी ये है, लाइक इधर से करोगे तब भी ये फर्स्ट प्राइमरी पे पहुंच गए। और ये नेम जो है आपका, ये देखो 2 ब्रोमो पेंटेन हो गया, ये 3 ब्रोमो पेंटेन। इस तरह से आपका प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शरी, प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शरी विद द पोजीशंस आपका डिफाइन हुआ। नाउ वी गो फॉर द अनदर क्वेश्चन, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट इज द राइट द IUPAC नेम, सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट IUPAC names of the following. Okay, so here we go for the first structure that we have. So the structure is CH3, H, H, Br, CH3 and H. This is the first one. Second one, I just write it down the AAC name and write out. So let's go for the second one here. The second structure we have double bond with CH3 and here it is H, and then we have here H here as well, carbon, and then we have H, Br, CH3. This is the second figure. The third figure we have is your double bond CH3, H, Br, CH3, H, and this is your CH3. Okay, the fourth one we have double bond CH3, that is H, Br, H, CH3, H. Now we go for another one. This is the fifth one. H, double bond CH3, H, H, Br, H, sixth, CH3, H, let's go for it and figure it out. The first one we go for it. This is the UPSC name is first 4-bromo pent 2-ene. The second name we have 3-bromo 2-methyl bute 1-ene 4-bromo 3-methyl pent 2-ene 1-bromo 2-methyl bute 2-ene. This is the fourth one we have. Fifth one, that is 1-bromo bute 2-ene. The sixth one is 3-bromo 2-methyl propene. That is what we have. Now we go for another question. That is the question we have as a homework. Write structures of the following compound: 2-chloro-3-methylpentane, 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane, 4-tert-butyl-3-iodoheptane, 1,4-dibromobutylene, and 1-bromo-4-sec-butyl-2-methylbenzene. That is what we go for it, and let's figure it out with the solution that you have to find out by your own side. I will just write it down for you. Then we'll discuss about the nature of carbon and a halogen bond here. So let's go for it. So we'll go for it. I just write it down the question as what I will give you homework as homework. So the question is, write structure of the following compounds. First is 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. Second is 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Third is 4 tert butyl 3 iodoheptane. Fourth is 1,4 dibromobutene. Fifth one is 1 bromo 4 sec butyl 2 methyl benzene. Okay, so now we go for the another one, and that is the question here. Let's go for it. Now we'll discuss about the nature of carbon halogen bond. In this carbon halogen bond here, that since halogen's atoms are more electronegative than carbon, the carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide is polarized. The carbon atom bears a partial positive charge, whereas the halogen atom bears a partial negative charge, which is your as follows. Carbon in this halogen, it is partial negative charge, it is being taken as partial positive charge. Since the size of the halogen atom increases as we go down the group in the periodic table, and fluorine atom is the smallest and iodine atom is your smallest and iodine atom the largest. Consequently, the carbon halogen bond length also increases from carbon fluorine to carbon iodine, and some typical bond length that both enthalpies and dipole moment that we'll discuss here in the table as well, that we'll discuss in the next coming class, so that it will be helpful for you to go ahead in the detail, and then we'll discuss about the another one, that is the methods of preparations, where there are many methods that we have to discuss one by one, so that will take for that only, and that we'll discuss in the rest of the class. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you. So I will give you one more question instead of this, with the next one. This is your method of preparation, that we have your some of the questions as well. So I just write it down, I just give you, so that if you are able to, you can just solve it out. although मैं जो भी क्वेश्चंस आपको समझाऊंगी नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में, तो उसके बाद आप you can easily give why sulfuric acid is not used during the reaction of the alcohol and Ki. So all these questions has been, so that I will discuss in that the rest of the class. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.